I'm actually gonna lose my hair in the process. I didn't think this through. Hey guys, it's for a great cause. Take a piece of my hair. We're raising awareness. Hey guys, you just take a piece of my hair for charity. It's free. I don't want anything. It's working. One, two, three.
We care about the hidden ODOT and family.
Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it.